Success is not an ultimate something one day you achieve. Shortcut to success will cut short your success too. The time is running very fast. Well, luck is a gift. It's not something what you earn, right? But yet, there's something that you can do that can bring more luck to your life. That is serve people with a clean heart. Meditation also improves your luck. Take a vow to meditate for X number of days and then see your energy become so positive, and the positive energy definitely attracts more. Shortcut to success will cut short your success too. Remember that. You have seen people who want to become rich very quickly have come down crushing. Have you noticed that? History is full of such events where you want to make quick money and then you made, but then you came down that fast as well. Better to be steady and rise up gradually. Listen to your own conscience. Your mind will say, oh, I have not given my 100%. And sometimes you will say, no, I gave my 100%. Then you accept whatever is the result. But best to keep moving ahead, not sit back or keep looking back all the time. You learn and you move. Because time is running very fast. You see, there is no much time for you to sit and brood over. In this sense, you will have a lot of enthusiasm. If you are on the spiritual path, even if you are spending, say, 20 minutes, half an hour every day in your spiritual knowledge or meditation or listening to wisdom, you will never fall short of enthusiasm. And even the most insignificant work you do, even there you will find yourself bubbling with enthusiasm. That's the secret of the wisdom of meditation.